And how's it going, everyone? Tony here at FX Street. Today, I'm going to be going over Bitcoin against the US dollar tether. Before we get into this video, make sure you guys know, check us out on our YouTube at FX Street, our Twitter is FXS Crypto, and I'm personally at TM Charts 100 is where you could find me. Make sure to give a like and subscribe on the homepage at YouTube at FX Street once again, and let's jump into this. Okay, guys, Bitcoin. Personally, there's a lot to be said. It's a lot to be said. So here's what I'm going to say. A lot of people are hoping for one more wave up. This is one, two, all of this is three, hoping for four and five. One, two, you can call this three, shallow four, you can call that five. All right. So either way, Bitcoin's going to retrace at least 38%, right? So um, let's make sure that's on log. I don't know who doesn't use that, but so at least we're going to get to 20,805, 18,900, 61.8% retracement. Now everyone's using these fibs. Now, here's what I'm going to say. It depends on who you subscribe to and what you have viewed as worked in the past, because some of the classical technical analysis stuff does work on Bitcoin. For instance, this is the strongest candle here. I have another reason for marking this level here, but this is the strongest candle here at 21,000. What's the low? 20,861. Now, if the strongest candle is reversed within any trend, the entire trend can become reversed. So that sets up a strong 30% move to the downside if and when Bitcoin declines by another 5%. So this is a situation here, depends on who you subscribe to. Where do you justify an entry? Where do you justify the end of a trend, the end of a trend, and the start of a new one? Yeah, RSI is breached overbought conditions. It's gonna test that 40 level here, and we're gonna see what goes down. I have a big issue if this big candle gets breached, just personally. Ultimately, my area to buy would be somewhere down here at 17,000 anyways. And if it does fall this low, then why wouldn't it come and sweep the lows? Really reminds me of ARR last year. I mean, who remembers that move? Everybody was interested in ARR when it had that first move up here. All right. That was June of last year. This move was very impressive here. This was 140% in a few days, you know. So yeah, 100 and, give or take, in a few days, give you a consolidation. It runs back up, for another 130%. Everyone was interested in this pullback here. Everyone was interested, especially around here. And look what happened. You get totally reversed, and it hasn't made a move really since. It's actually worth keeping an eye on. So, Bitcoin, personally, man, I'm gonna say, did I finish that trade out? Actually, this is my other chart. Actually didn't hit my target, got front run. So yeah, that was your entry. Yeah, that was my entry on here. I have a big issue if this big candle gets broken out of. I think I placed an entry during this zone here. Or actually, no, actually it was just, yeah, at the green candle here, as you can see. I just said, let's just go for it. And yeah, I got front run. So that's my other chart. You don't get them all. But anyways, like I'm saying, have a big issue if what is the low? 20,861 is breached. I would not be surprised if my $17,300 zone gets hit or even a sweep the lows event, and then we see a lower low, 14,800. Um, yeah, that's my take. Look out for the Ethereum post next. It's gonna have some more information on the market. This is your updated video. Make sure you guys know YouTube is FX Street, Twitter is FXS Crypto. I'm personally at TM Charts 100. I post trade setups on chain analysis. Been a while. Got to get organized. See you guys on the next one.